Hi and welcome again to RevsIT. Well, today we're going to pick up from where we left off from last time, and I'm afraid that includes the fact that my microphone wasn't working, so I'm going to have to do a bit of a voiceover to start off with. So we pick up again then with the front caliper, and I have done a bit of cleaning on it. As you can see, I've washed it in the parts washer, and I've done a little bit of cleaning with the Dremel to try and remove some of the scoring and the loose debris on it. It did come up pretty good. The interior is fairly good, in good shape, and I think I'll be able to use it. That said, I'm not so sure about the actual pistons themselves. As you'll see in a moment, the pistons are quite badly scored, and I did think of using the Dremel again just to grind them down a bit and make them a bit more, usable. But at the end of the day, I thought, there's no point in this really. If there's going to be a leak because they damaged the new seals, well, it's just not worth the effort. So I decided eventually to go with the fact that they need to be replaced. And I've ordered a new set and they have duly arrived. So let's see then, let's get on with it. Okay, this may not be the best way of doing this, but it's the only way I've got. Here is the attachment that I said I bought. Simply a tube, the high pressure water comes through, another tube which draws up the media from whatever container you're using into the line of the water and jets it out. I've started a little bit just to test it to make sure I can do it like this. I have added a little bit of soft wire to hold it in place while I'm doing it, because it was bouncing about a bit. But hopefully now we'll be able to actually jet wash, not jet wash, media blast this brake caliper. Let's have a go then. Looking pretty good so far. Just twist this round, pull one of my pins out, never mind, so I can get to this part. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner than it was, and it's got that nice texture again. Still needs a bit more work though. And now I need to turn it over. It's certainly made a huge difference. You can see the top there, I don't know if you can see it very well, but the top there to the side there is a massive difference. Let's have another look. Yeah, really good. I'm surprised how good that is actually. I am talking to a new company that's starting up as well about media blasting. They're just setting up, as it were. So I may be going down to see them at some point to check how they do it and get some parts cleaned by them perhaps. Okay, that looks pretty good for now. Let's take it back inside and have a proper look. Okay, so I've got a bucket of water, which I'm just going to give you a quick rinse off with. Get the bits of grease that are left in. And there we go. Look at this. Still a few little bits left in this, but it is so much better than it was before. So I think another quick pass with media over it. As you can see, there's a few pits still there.
but most of it is virtually ready to be painted. I'll have to make sure I clean out all the little channels and everything, of course. I'll give it a good rinse now, and we'll see how it goes. So that's that bit on the top yoke. It doesn't look quite as good as the top yoke, but like I said, I'll give it another quick blast. Let's go on and do some more and see how they come out. And there is the first of the struts media blasted. A little bit of wet and dry to finish off and bring back the sheen. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. This is going to be very boring, you just watching me blasting these, and I'm going to get on with this. So ride on and ride safe.